In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact fields on Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a custom field so you can capture the data that matters most to your marketing and sales workflows. First, open your Mautic account and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. Click that to open the settings menu. From there, choose Custom Fields. This is where all your existing fields live and where you'll add new ones. Click the New button to create a field. Start by entering a clear label. This is the friendly name your team will see on contacts, forms, and segments. Keep it short and descriptive so it's easy to find later. Next, choose the object. Select contact if the field belongs to individual people, or company if it should be stored on an organization. Pick the one that reflects where you want to use and report on the data. Now choose the data type. Select the format that best fits your information. Text for short entries, number for numeric values, date for dates, and so on. Choosing the right type helps with validation, filtering, and reporting accuracy. Enter an alias. This is the machine-friendly identifier Mautic uses behind the scenes and in tokens. A common convention is lowercase letters with underscores, like favorite alt color. It's best to decide this carefully up front because changing aliases later can break references. Open the group dropdown. It usually defaults to core. Choose the group that logically organizes your field, since this affects where it appears in the contact record and helps keep your team's view tidy. If it makes sense, set a default value. This will autofill when no value is provided, which can save time and keep your data consistent. On the right side, adjust the field settings. Use the order setting to control where the field appears relative to others. Decide whether the field should be available on forms. Enable this if you plan to collect it directly from visitors. If the field must always have a value, mark it as required so data entry stays clean. When you're done, click Save to keep working on this field, or Save and Close to return to the list. That's it. You've added a custom field in Mautic. Quick tips before you go. Plan labels and aliases with a simple naming convention, match data types to the kind of information you expect, and group fields thoughtfully so they're easy to find later. With that, you're ready to scale your data in Mautic with